The CRH 380A Hexi high-speed train is renowned for its remarkable speed, reaching a top velocity of 236 miles per hour, developed by China Railway High Speed. This train stands among the fastest in the world and was introduced in China back in 2010. Since its debut, the Hexi has garnered immense popularity among passengers thanks to its exceptional speed and a range of cutting-edge amenities. Notably, the train prioritizes passengers' comfort, offering plush seating, onboard Wi-Fi, and efficient air conditioning zones. Travelers on board can remain connected and enjoy a pleasant journey while staying cool. However, the Hexi train not only excels in comfort features but also prioritizes safety above all else. Equipped with advanced safety measures such as an automatic train control system, it operates within secure limits at all times. Additionally, an emergency braking system is in place to swiftly halt the train in case of an unforeseen circumstances, ensuring passengers' peace of mind. The Hexi train plays a vital role in China's transportation infrastructure, representing just one of the many high-speed trains available throughout the country. These trains contribute significantly to efficiently and securely transporting the urban population to their destinations. In summary, the CRH 380A Hexi high-speed train offers an exceptional combination of speed, comfort, and safety. It stands a testament to China's commitment to modern and efficient transportation systems, enabling passengers to reach their destinations quickly and reliably.